When you search for the best double-din car stereo, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: LeadFin 7-inch car stereo. First up is the LeadFin 7-inch car stereo. With a price tag of just $39.99, it's hard to overlook. What caught my attention is the inclusion of a backup camera, which is a huge plus for those who struggle with parking. If you want a budget-friendly option that brings a lot of features, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. The 7-inch touchscreen has a resolution of 1024x600, making it great for streaming and displaying clear images. This is perfect for enjoying your favorite tunes or using navigation apps through your phone, as it supports Mirror Link for both Android and iPhone. Plus, Bluetooth 5 allows for hands-free calling, which means you can stay safe while driving. It's also got inputs for USB and AUX, so you can easily connect your devices. With over 3,800 reviews and a 3.7-star rating, it seems like many users appreciate its functionality. Now, some people complained about the screen brightness, especially in direct sunlight. Here's the thing though, if you mostly drive in the evenings or at night, this might not be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly stereo with decent features. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end sound quality or advanced features. For the price, it definitely offers great value. Now, if the LeadFin's brightness issue worries you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a higher price tag, but also better build quality. Product number 2, Pioneer MVH S622BS. Next up is the Pioneer MVH S622BS, priced at $179.99. Right off the bat, I was impressed with its sleek design and user-friendly interface. If you want a reliable stereo with great sound quality and connectivity options, this is worth a serious look. So why does this product solve your problem? The receiver also supports USB and auxiliary inputs, so you can easily connect your devices. Plus, it's Sirius XM ready, giving you access to over 140 channels. The 13-band equalizer allows you to customize the audio to your liking, enhancing your listening experience. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 834 reviews, it's clear that this stereo delivers on performance. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the features and sound quality make it worth the effort. This stereo is perfect for you if you love customizing your sound settings and want a feature-rich unit. Skip this if you're looking for a simple plug-and-play option. For its price, you're getting a quality audio experience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love seamless smartphone integration. Product number 3, PLZ 7-inch wireless stereo. Coming in at $129.99, the PLZ 7-inch wireless double-din car stereo caught my eye with its wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. If you want modern features that make driving easier, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product stands out. With wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, you can connect your phone without any cables. That means you can use navigation apps like Google Maps while keeping your hands on the wheel. The 240W output with built-in DSP ensures high-fidelity sound, which is crucial for an enjoyable driving experience. Plus, the 10-band EQ allows you to tailor the sound quality to your specific taste. Praised by over 2,000 users and rated 4 stars, it's clear that many appreciate its advanced features. Now, some users mention that the touch screen could be more responsive. But here's the thing, considering the price and the range of features, it's still a solid choice for those who prioritize wireless functionality. This stereo is perfect for you if you want a modern, wireless experience in your car. Skip this if you require a more traditional setup without the latest features. It's a great value for those who want to embrace tech in their driving experience. Now, if you're looking for something with even more features, this next product might just fit the bill. Product number 4, Boss BV9358B. Next is the Boss Audio Systems BV9358B, priced at $139.99. This one really caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive features. If you want a stereo that offers both style and functionality, this is worth a serious look. The Boss BV9358B shines with its Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. You can easily use voice commands to control your music, get directions, and even send texts, all while keeping your eyes on the road. It's got Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calls and streaming, plus it supports various inputs including USB and audio-video. With a solid 4.1-star rating from over 5,500 reviews, users appreciate the quality and ease of use. However, some users pointed out that it lacks a CD-DVD player. Here's the thing though, with streaming being so prevalent, this might not be an issue for many, especially if you rely on your smartphone for entertainment. This is perfect for you if you enjoy using apps and want a modern interface. Skip this if you're still attached to physical media like CDs. A great value for those who are wired into the digital age. Now, if you're after a slightly upgraded version, the next product has some features that might appeal to you. Product number 5. Boss BVCP9700A. Last but not least is the Boss Audio Systems BVCP9700A, priced at $164.99. This unit combines quality with functionality, making it quite appealing. If you want the latest features in a stylish package, this is worth a serious look. It has Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio streaming, plus various inputs for USB and camera connections. Rated 4.2 stars from over 1,100 reviews, it's evident that users value its performance and features. One drawback some users noted is the need for an additional interface module for steering wheel controls. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest a little more for full functionality, this stereo is well worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality audio experience with advanced features. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option. For its price, it delivers excellent features and sound quality. So there you have it. We've covered 5 double-din car stereos, each with its own strengths. The LeadFin is great if you're on a budget, while the Pioneer offers a more premium experience. The PLZ brings modern wireless features, the Boss BV9358B is stylish and functional, and the BVCP9700A adds even more advanced options. Choose the one that fits your needs best, and happy driving.